Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making bacon and shrimp fried rice. Let's get started. We have here 3 slices of bacon. And we're going to slice it up. We're going to cut into small strips. There we go. It looks something like that. We're going to put it into a bowl. We also have here 12 pieces of shrimp. It's already been peeled. And the size of the shrimp we're using is 2630. We're just going to add a little bit of garlic salt. Mix it up. There we go. And then some white pepper. There we go. And that's it. Okay, let's start making the fried rice. Okay, let's turn the heat on high. The pan is heated, and now we're going to add the bacon. Oh, I really love the smell of the bacon. Okay, the bacon looks nice and crispy. Now we're going to put it in a bowl. There's a little bit too much bacon fat, so we're just going to pour some of it out and use the rest for another day. Just need a little bit. There we go. We have here 12 pieces of shrimp. We're going to put it in. Okay, the shrimp is nicely cooked. Now we're going to add a cup of mixed vegetables. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to add is 2 cups of cooked white rice. Okay, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir it up. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And also we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Then mix everything all together. Okay, so the last thing what we're going to add is the bacon. And mix everything all together. Now we're going to put the fried rice onto a plate. Okay, this is what we have today, bacon and shrimp fried rice. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.